So good morning, YouTube. Now, update on my 10K simulated profit account. So I took a trade, no rather, I didn't take a trade. I placed a limit and I woke up this morning to see that my limit has been triggered. But now there's a problem. I'm currently facing network issues, right? Ether has been down for like the past couple of days now. I think a day or two. I've not been able to access anything, right? So this is what is currently like on the screen, like right now. I'm up about $240 on that trade, right? But that is not a live preview right now. Currently, I don't know what is going on in the market. I'm like blind in the market. I need to have an eyes in the market so far. So my major issue now where to get hotspots, that be my problem. So let me quickly try and get my phone running on data, and then I'll give you guys an update on what's going on. Thank God for VPN. So I currently have my VPN connected. What's the meaning of this? Oh, good. So I currently have my VPN connected anyway, long story short. So now let me show you guys what the chart is looking like right now. Yeah. So this is what the chart currently looks like right now. I'm up $261. As you can see, this is currently live going on. Well, not like a live account, but like a live market currently. So let's take a look at the chart. So this is where we're currently at in the market now. By the way, this is a 1 hour time frame right here. So I have adjusted my stop loss. What's wrong with this now? Yeah, I have adjusted my stop loss all the way up here. So you can take a look at it. Stop loss is at $427 from a risk of $50. That's crazy. So what's my profit right here? So this is my profit currently. I'm at $11,060. So let's see what's happening. So this is the chart, right? This is V15. I've currently been taken out of the trade, right? And this is how far it went, like from here all the way to this point. This is how far. I think I got about $400 worth of profit, right? And my account balance has been reset back to $1,000 or back to 11K. Like this is crazy. And I was risking only $50 on that trade, right? So this is what market is currently doing. I mean, I'm expecting price to bounce off this trend line right here, bounce off and start coming down, maybe something like this, boom, something like this. But if it doesn't happen like that, any case, that's its problem. These are the previous trades I've taken. This is also one mind-blowing trade I took here, almost similar RR with this, but it's okay. Let's see. Whatever this does, keep you guys posted. And there's also a possibility that it might do something like this, break, retest here to continue moving upwards. So that's all about V51s. Okay, so like now I know the reason why a lot of profitable traders, they tell you think in probability, you don't think in certainty. Now, if there's one thing that the Forex space have taught me, right, is that you can get everything right. You can get your analysis right, the bias right. You can even get your A++ setup, confirmation, and still lose the trade. Like literally, market will still go against you. I just learned that like several times in one single pair. All right, let me show you guys something very quick on the chart. Very quick. Okay. So this is this bloody pair on a 4 hour time frame. Now, if you take a look at my horizontal line, right? I'll delete this one, right? If you take a look at my horizontal line, in short, let me even make it view on the 1 week. You see that this bloody pair is rejecting this horizontal line like 4 times now. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now let's move to a weekly. No, let's move to the 1 hour time frame, I believe. So this is what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. After price bloody rejected right here on the 1 hour time frame, price broke the chart. Now the issue is retesting. Price will retest on my trend line, right? I've drawn a couple of trend lines. I've adjusted a lot of trend lines now, and currently this is like my last trend line that I'll be adjusting on this pair, beyond which, if it invalidates it, I think I'll just forget about this pair for a very long time. But maybe not a very long time. Like, price retests on the trend line, breaks my confirmation trend line, and tags me in, then goes back to take me out. Price is on a bloody downtrend like this. Bloody downtrend. Okay? Breaks my trend line. By the way, this is assumed to be my trend line. So price breaks the trend line. Okay? Now, if you move to a smaller time frame, price does something like this. Let me reduce this. Price does something like this. Down. Okay? Before retesting on the main trend line. Now, this is usually my point of confirmation. I'll draw my lower time frame trend line. Price is supposed to break it and retest on the lower time frame trend line in order to continue movement, right? Now, price will do this. Price will break it, retest like this, right? I will enter. Price will move like this. What is happening? Price will move up like this, and then boom, continue downwards like this. This has happened to me like 4 times now. Twice I entered, I took a loss. On one, I broke even quickly before it could stop me out. That was the $10 you were seeing in the history right here. This $10. This was the first one I did that got a loss on. Then the remaining 2 times, I seriously observed chart bloody movement and repeated the same exact thing. So now that just got me to understand that you can do everything, but it's under probability. You really do not know what market is going to do. Like, no one actually knows. It's just when you follow your rules, it gives you a higher level of probability when taking a trade. So you'll rest assured that you're not doing something out of lack of knowledge, or you're not doing something on impulse. You're doing something on structured and planned routine. So that is what I just learned from this bloody chart today. So yeah, these are the only trades I took. My account is still at $1112.39. So right, yeah, I keep you guys updated on whatever trade that comes up later on in future. Yeah, bye bye. You know, future me, you've learned something today. Actually, 2 things today. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.